Okay, Algebra 2 students, now we're going to see a video on example 2 for section 2.6, choosing a solution method. So we just learned the quadratic formula and we had grouping before and maybe completing the square. Let's see what they do to solve this equation. They're going to do two different methods. Alright, let's see how much I can show on the screen. Quadratic formula, we just learned this. You plug the values in for A, B, and C. Okay, and so it's a straightforward formula. A lot of students like it because it works every time. You just have to be pretty good at the square root and simplifying the square root. Like, who would know the square root of 529 is 23? I guess you can use your calculator and see if it goes in or not. All right, let's look at factor by grouping to refresh our memory on that strategy. Remember, we have 6 times 20 to get 120. We got to find factors of 120 that when you add them together, you get 7. And end up being 15 and 8. And then they broke it down that way and got the 2x minus 5. Personally, I would stay away from factor by grouping because of the 6. There's a lot of possibilities with the 6 and the 20. Like when it's 6 times 20 is 120. There's a lot of factors. So I stay away from grouping. I would go to the quadratic formula probably right off. Let's see what they wrote. Both solutions give the same result. Factoring may be more efficient, but the quadratic formula always works, regardless of whether the function has real or imaginary roots. That's true. If it had imaginary roots, you wouldn't be able to do this. You could start doing it and then you get stuck. So that's why the quadratic formula is so often used. Go ahead and try this one, and they want us to try it two different ways. First a quadratic formula, and then try another method. I'm just going to show you the answers. So click pause, give those a shot, and then come on back. Yeah, why not? The work's already done for me, so I'm going to just go with it. Quadratic formula. They had the square root of 361, which came up to 19, and then -1 plus 19 is 18. 18 over 12 is 3 over 2. And -5 over 3 was the other root. Factor by grouping. Again, the 6 and the 15. 6 times 15 is 90. There's a lot of factors of 90. At least it was 1. I know it'd be 9 and 10. So this might not have been too bad to do by factor by grouping. Anyways, I'm getting way off track. You want to know what problems you can do. Your teacher can assign any of these: 28, 29, 30, 31, 9, and 12. That's it for this video. Have a great day.